Alright, today we're doing an oil change on a Cushman Truckster. There it is right there. Alright, let me show you where the oil pan bolt is. Passenger side here. Right under the radiator. Let me turn my light on here. We're going right under the radiator. Okay, see this? Straight under the radiator. Under this cross beam, and then turn and look, it's going to be right there. Now the way to get to that is to go on the other side of this beam, and there it is right there. And that's how you I got my pan under there already, but that's it. One more time, go under the radiator, straight under, past the beam, and then when you see your cross beam, you'll see that bolt. Go under the cross beam, and there it is right there. Real simple. And your oil filter, go around to the other side. Your oil filter, now we're going right under the driver's seat here. That's your hydraulic filter. Which your oil filter is going to be right there. Right under the back of the driver's seat. So we'll come straight out. There's your driver's seat. Come straight down, and there's the oil filter. And the number on that filter is going to be, this is a Napa. It's a 21394 Napa number. All right, dipstick. Just lift your seat up. Come around to the passenger side. And your dipstick is right here, right behind the alternator. Right there. Now to put the oil in, if you come around here to the driver's side, I don't recommend doing it this way, but go under the seat again, and you'll see that oil cap right there. Good luck getting oil in there. But that is the oil cap on the valve cover there. So, to make life easy, just go back to your dipstick. Right there behind the alternator. Put your oil in there. Because you're just going to make a mess trying to put it in through the valve cover there. Alright, well, hope this helps with your oil change of the Truckster. And we'll see you next time.